Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to send an email at perfect time, then Gmail has a feature called scheduled send. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to schedule your emails. So in this video, I'll show you how to compose your email, schedule the email, find the scheduled emails, and edit or cancel. So let's start. First, log into your Gmail account. Click compose just like you normally do and write your email. I have composed one email for you. So for it, same as sending a regular email. Come to this step 2, how to schedule the email. To schedule an email, here is the trick. You can see here normal regular send button. Instead of clicking that, you have to click the small arrow button, down arrow button next to it. Click on that and you will see an option called scheduled send. So click on the scheduled send. When you click it, Gmail will suggest few times for you. Either you can choose from this list what Gmail has given, like schedule in the morning time, evening time, or next day, or you can choose from the pick date and time. Click on pick date and time. It will allow you to choose your own custom schedule. So you can schedule your own date and time as per your convenience. Once you are done with the scheduling part, you can click on schedule send. Now come to the step 3, find schedule emails. How to find your all emails, those are being scheduled. So you can find it easily. On left hand side, there is a folder called schedule. In the schedule folder, once you click on that, okay, you will find all the emails being scheduled. Okay, you can see this mail I just composed and sent or scheduled it. Now come to the step 4, edit or cancel. I'll show you how to edit or cancel. If you want to make change what you have sent recently, then it is very easy. Just open the schedule email. Now click on the email if you want to edit or cancel. And the top right you can see cancel send. If you will click on this, you will get your email back into your drafts mode. Okay, here you can edit your mail, change the time, or you can send it immediately. That's it. I have shown you how to schedule an email. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.